Hello kids, we are learning alphabet A B C. Let's start. A is for apple. This alphabet name is A. B is for ball. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for doll. D is for doll. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for frog. F is for frog. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. H is for hand. H is for hand. I is for ink. I is for ink. J is for jackfruits. J is for jackfruits. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for lion. The alphabet name is L. M is for mango. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nest. O is for orange. O is for orange. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for snack. S is for snack. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for fox. X is for fox. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe this channel.